The Bhagavatam, also known as the Srimad Bhagavatam, is an ancient Hindu scripture that discusses various philosophical and spiritual concepts, including time. It provides a detailed and comprehensive understanding of the concept of time, which is considered to be a fundamental aspect of the material existence. The Bhagavatam states that time is a manifestation of the universal consciousness and is controlled by it. The description of the different aspects of time, including the calculation of time and the different divisions of time, will leave you spellbound. But before that, let's quickly summarize what the Bhagavatam says on the concept of time. The reference to these details are in Canto 3, Chapter 11 of Srimad Bhagavatam. The Bhagavatam considers time to be an essential and inseparable aspect of the material world. The material world is subject to the laws of time, which are characterized by constant change, birth, death, and decay. It also explains time dilation, where time appears to move slower or faster depending on one's perspective. The Bhagavatam describes 4 yugas or ages that follow each other in a cyclical pattern. The yugas are Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. Each yuga is characterized by specific social and moral conditions that determine the behavior of people during that time. The Satya Yuga is considered the most virtuous age, while the Kali Yuga is the most degraded. We are in the Kali Yuga. After the completion of one cycle of these 4 yugas, the cycle repeats itself, starting with the Satya Yuga. It also explains how karma, or the law of cause and effect, is linked to time. Now let's get into the details of how time is measured and calculated. Pay attention, for this will blow your mind. It starts with saying that what appears as indivisible consists of infinitesimal particles, paramanu. Paramanu is smaller than an atom. One atom is equal to 2 paramanas. This paramanu or the infinitesimal particle keeps its original form till the end of time. It is the combination of these paramanas that gives structural change to things around us. The concept of time was defined the time taken by this infinitesimal particle to occupy a certain atomic space. Example: 1 atom is equal to 2 paramanas, which means the time taken by 2 paramanas to occupy a certain atomic space. The Vedas start the division of time from this paramanu and start expanding the atom. Here we go. 1 atom is equal to 2 paramanas, 1 trasaranu equals 3 atoms, 1 truthi equals 3 trasarinas, 1 Veda equals 100 truthis, 1 lava equals 3 Vedas, 1 nimisha equals 3 lavas approximately 0.53 seconds, 3 nimishas equals 1 kshana, approximately 1.6 seconds. 5 kshanas equals 1 kaza or 8 seconds, 15 kashthas equals 1 lagu or 2 minutes, 15 ligas equals 1 nadika or 30 minutes, 2 nadikas equals 1 muhurtha or 1 hour, 1 yama equals 6 to 7 muhurthas or 1/4 of day or night, 4 yamas equals 1 day. Aggregate of day and night equals month, 2 months equals 1 season, 6 seasons equals 1 vatsara or year, human lifespan equals 100 of these earth years. From here Bhagavatam starts describing the time in other material universes. 1 earth year equals 1 day in the universe of the demigods, and the lifespan of the demigods will be hundreds of these years. From here the concept of Mahayuga is introduced, that is equivalent to 12,000 demigod years or 4,320,000 earth years. 1,000 Mahayugas equals 1 day of Brahma, the creator of the universe, or 8.64 billion earth years. Brahma's lifespan equals 2 paradas or 311 trillion earth years. 1 Brahma's lifespan equals 1 second for the beginningless, unchanging, unlimited soul, supreme consciousness, of the universe. We are currently in the second parada, second half, of Brahma's lifespan equals 155.5 trillion years. In summary, the Bhagavatam provides a detailed and comprehensive understanding of the concept of time. It includes the calculation of time, the division of time into different yugas and ages, thus emphasizing the importance of using time wisely to attain spiritual realization, and ultimately transcend the influence of time in the material world through self-realization.